Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word potentialities. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The new software has many potentialities for improving efficiency in the workplace. Potentialities refers to the abilities or possibilities that something or someone may have in the future, often regarding their capacity for development or success. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.